Hey, what's up? This is Miguel from Kiss on the 8.5. Drove all the way up from Amherst, New York to Niagara Falls, Ontario to check out one of the scariest haunted houses in the area, Nightmare's Fear Factory. I've heard a lot of things about this place. If you ask me if I'm scared right now, I'm gonna tell you yes, a little bit I'm scared. But from what I hear, I'm gonna be extremely scared inside. So we're gonna go inside, check it out, and find out if it is the scariest haunted house in the area.
Try it by yourself. Many of you chicken out the little window check. You guys at the top of the stairs, stay really close to each other, follow the red lights. Good luck. Chicken out.
No way. I'm done. Absolutely no way. Told you, 15 seconds is all I have. Boom. One move and done. That was it. I'm out of here. I can't take it. You guys can go through. I can't do it. I cannot do it. Nightmare's Fear Factory, scariest haunted house in the area. Alright guys, Nightmare's Fear Factory is everything you've heard of. The scariest haunted house. 15 seconds into the haunted house, I'm yelling the safe word and get escorted right out the front door. So I got this time to swallow my pride and add myself to the chicken list.